This tutorial demonstrates a feature in Excel's Paste Special menu called Paste Link. Paste Link is a useful tool that pastes a cell's reference to another location. Here's an example of a financial model. In this example, we want to link the projected net income calculations from the income statement to the cash flow statement. Let's show you one way to do this. First, type the equal sign into your destination cell. This creates a new active formula. Next, retrieve the cell you would like to link from. Place the cursor inside the contents of that cell and press Enter. The cell contents are now linked below. To complete the row, select the remaining cells using Shift and the right arrow, and complete the formula with Ctrl R. A different way is to use Excel's Paste Link feature. First, find the cells that you would like to link from. However, this time we will retrieve the entire range at once instead of a single cell. Select the range using Shift and the right arrow. Copy the cell contents using Ctrl-C. Move back to your destination cell and place the cursor inside. Now, call up the Paste Special box using Ctrl-Alt-V. At the bottom of the dialog box is a button for Paste Link. Type L to complete the command. Now, the net income calculations are linked together to the cash flow statement. For more Tuesday Time Savers, modeling tips, and Marquee Group training programs, let's connect.